Today, I want to call your attention to the importance of choosing the right operating system that supports your learning need, because a choice of operating system can influence a student's success in learning. Understanding the difference between how an operating system can support your learning and ability to learn faster and better is key to successful completion of your course. The choice of operating system can significantly affect your success by impacting your productivity, access to specific software required for your field of study. It will impact your overall compatibility with classroom technology. There is a great need to ensure that the operating system you use natively supports the classroom technology for your course. An operating system that is not compatible with the classroom technology you use for your course can potentially hinder or enhance your learning experience. Here are some points you need to know while you make a choice of operating system when you're studying. Different fields of study require specific software that may only be readily available on certain operating systems. For example, design students may need advanced Adobe applications on a Mac, or engineering students may need specialized simulation software such as Microsoft Visio. Students learning data analysis may need to use Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, or Microsoft Power BI. Students learning information security or cybersecurity may need to use Kali Linux. Though some software can run from the web or run through VirtualBox or any other virtual environment, it may not be as seamless as the native environment. For example, Microsoft Excel on Mac does not have the full features that Excel has in a native Windows environment. For example, if you decide to conduct penetration testing tasks within Windows command prompt, you will have to install a lot of other plugins or extensions. Instead of managing plugins and extensions, you can easily use Kali Linux that comes out of the box with so many packages. Some programs might run better on specific hardware configurations depending on the operating system, thereby impacting performance and student productivity. For example, if you try to run Power BI in a VirtualBox or another virtual environment, it may not give you the same experience as running it from a Windows environment. If you're in a class that relies heavily on specific platform or file formats, the compatibility of the operating system with those tools can greatly impact your ability to complete your assignments on time, be able to collaborate and share files in the classroom. Think about students that are in design, doing video editing or graphic design. They may benefit from a Mac due to its strong performance with creative software like Adobe Photoshop and all the Adobes and Final Cut Pro. They may have better experience than students using the same software from Windows or a Unix operating system. Engineering students using Microsoft Visio will have a better user experience with a Windows machine than using a Mac, with the equivalency to have all the features that is available from a Windows machine. Students with disabilities might need specific accessibility features offered by certain operating systems to fully engage with their coursework. I know that many of us are very passionate about using a particular operating system over another. That passion works well when the computing gadget is for personal entertainment. When it comes to your studies, it is advisable that you go for an operating system that will greatly support the classroom technology in use for your course. Kali Linux is preferred over macOS or Windows for an information security course because it comes pre-installed with a vast array of penetration testing tools, making it especially designed for learning and practicing ethical hacking techniques. But macOS lacks the readily available toolkit and is more geared toward general user experience, not in-depth security analysis. Kali provides a focused environment for exploring vulnerabilities and security assessment, which is crucial for information security. Kali comes preloaded with hundreds of tools for vulnerability scanning, network analysis, and other things you need to do in this class. It is open source, so you don't have to spend more on it. It's designed for security testing with a minimalist interface and optimized for security-related tasks. And due to its popularity in the security field, Kali has a large community where students can access support and learning resources. Mac OS and Windows has some security features, but it doesn't come with the same extensive collection of penetration testing tools as Kali.